to be a successful trader, wag masyadong nakafocus sa mga mabilisang gains, no? So yung sinasabi nga natin na pagka binili mo yung token, wag mo expect na magiging green kagad yung portfolio. Mag-focus ka sa sistema mo. Focus ka kung ginagawa mo ba ng tama, meron pa ba at least a system, you're following your trade plan, you're following your risk management, no? And the profit will be a byproduct, no? So yun yung reward eh. The word professional, no, is someone who treats trading as a business, no? So pag may negosyo ka, gusto mo may sistema. Kapag ka nakuha mo na yung sistema, syempre kasunod nun, may kita, no? So focus on the system, build the system na tried and tested nyo, no? And always play long-term game, no? So yung mas mahaba, marathon nga, sabi nga nila, hindi sprint. At yan ang ating Kuyang Knows for the night. Please follow and share for more.